back we go. It is Monday, April 10th. I just did a video on SQQQ, now the reverse TQQQ. So you could have caught the front side that was pre-market. Now this is the back side when pretty much it opened. This flipped and the market really turned it on and came back and was slightly bullish. The Nasdaq, Dow Jones was up 100.23. So what happened here is pre-market. This is coming up here, 27.25 line. Then it really started the waterfall. You see it right here. This okay, is it going to bounce? Is it going to hold this green little check line out here? That's today's open. It didn't do it. And then once you have the 20 over the 13, look how strong that is. So this bounce, there was a fake bounce, big cap bounce. Look at it, waterfall again. We go down near today's open, and then another wash down, and then another big red candle. Then it finally reversed. You had all this heavy volume down here. 26.25. Look at these tails here, here, and here. You had four in a row. I'll circle it right here. So you had four in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it starts to take off. And then you see, oh, this big red candle probably stopped out a lot of people who were getting long here. But you still have a quarter line. You still have this and a little below. Then it made another move, bounced to 26.50. Little red candles here. Then it started the waterfall again. So if you got in down here, you could have got out at 25.50, a little over 50 cents. That would have been good. Once you see 1, 2, and then this third one start to form, probably get out there. Just take some profit. And then we come down again. Now, what do you see here too? This, and then you see a hammer candle right here. So after 1, 2, 3, 4 red candles are very large, in this chart right now. You go to that hammer candle, and that's a reversal at the bottom of the pattern. You're hammered out the bottom. That's why they call it a hammer. You're hammering out the bottom. Then you come up from 26.50, come up pretty large. You break that previous move just recently, about 26.93. Then you keep going. And then 27-ish, you break that and get to 27.25. Then you, right at the close, then you stay pretty high at 27.39. So you have one move, and then, two possible moves here, maybe three. These are all, short moves at each quarter, or you could have played long here. Then this was the better move right here, this hammer candle. You're getting here, hammering out now. All these moves too, you don't know if this is going to come up right here and, come up to like a double top right here, come back down. You don't know that, but this is the place to get in. So after these 4 red candles, you want to get in right about here. Or a little higher. You can go up here, making this go out a little further, 26.60. You have more lines right here. I'm just pointing out the big space right here. But so you don't know exactly where things are going to go. You have an idea after this move, it's coming up, you're forming, trend line right here. But, this could form a double top and come back. But the positions where you get in, you can look for little signals here. Your hammer candles, you have these tails, another hammer candle and tail, and then it took off. And you're just playing it or scalping along the way, take profit. Either way you want to look at it. And this is a V recovery. V for recovery. This is like a classic almost, except for that little move here. You take that out, forms a V right here. You come here, V, and up here the other side of the V. Sometimes you have a U, but this was strong here. All right, so look at the daily chart. This has been in the uptrend right here ever since November. Then January came back, then we're bouncing higher. New trend line, March coming up higher. And like I said, I think I did a video the other day, maybe 2 days ago, whatever it was. I said this could go to 30, maybe even a little bit higher. It's getting overbought. Now this move here, right here in stochastics, is coming up. Looks like it's coming down and wants to bounce back up, but it could be lower. This could be the peak for a while on stochastics 97.64. So we'll see on that. All right, so that's it. So TQQQ, you could have had a few moves in here, and another long here. So solid day. On both sides, you could have flipped, or just, if you want to short it, you could have just shorted this, that went long, however you trade. So it's very solid. All right, so that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trades on YouTube. Smash the like button. And I'm on TikTok, Mike Cayman Trades. And I put out some short little videos on shorts on YouTube. I do that for fun, like cooking, whatever, sometimes crazy stuff. But that's it. We are out for now. Peace.